Hello everyone. So we begin with the first workshop. I am on a holiday right now, so pardon the extra noises if you hear, but your video will be extremely easy to follow. So just ignore if you hear few sounds at the back. So the painting that we are going to do today is something that I had tried direct without using a pencil. There was some challenge that we were doing where we had to we had to paint something without drawing. But this is a simple drawing, so nothing very complicated about it, but it helped me open up a lot and made it very easy for me to try new things, because that was the first time I was doing something where I didn't draw and paint it directly. But of course you all should first make the sketch and then begin. So this is the size of my paper. Whatever size you take, ensure the placement, there should be equal distance. So in this there are two flowers. I have just done it in layers, not done too much of techniques, because techniques I teach in my paid workshops. You really can't teach them in 1 or 2 videos. It takes time. So where I follow a certain pattern. So these are the two basic structures, and then just a small bud, and this goes behind here, and just few leaves coming out of it. So I had taken a basic structure. That's what I tell everybody. It's not always necessary to paint something very complicated to learn. Rather, if we begin simple, it really boosts our confidence. So you see, it's something we used to draw as kids. Simple leaves and typical flowers. But the whole thing is how we ultimately paint it. That will make this painting look good. Not too many colors, just violet and sap green. So you don't need too many colors. No, violet, sap green and lemon yellow. How we make violet is we'll be mixing Prussian blue and crimson red. Please ignore this light. I have tried it everywhere, but the light is not enough. But I assure you, you will not have a problem in following it. So this, you see, is the basic structure. I'm going to stop my video here because you need to draw it first. Don't jump on painting directly, and after drawing this, share your drawing with me and then move on to paint. Okay, I hope there is no problem in the drawing. Two flowers, and you see the placement. One is here, one is not just directly under it. It is placed a little this side, and to balance it, we've created few leaves here, a bud here, and 2 leaves here. So there is a thought behind it. I have not just made it like that. And you see there is equal distance on all the sides. So you just don't make a painting in one at one point or here or here. Always think before you put something on paper. First, in your mind, you should know this is where I'm going to draw. Don't just pick a pencil and start drawing. So first in your mind you place the flowers, or mark it with a pencil, and then start drawing, so that you have to erase as little as possible.